Welcome guys, today I'll be taking you guys on the tools on Pixellab, how to use them. So let's start the video. First of all, these are just your templates. This first one, any template you want. You can edit and reuse them. These are just templates. All are just templates you can use if you like them. But I'll be using this last one, this blank space. And this side, this is your text. For your text, you press on your text, you press on edit, then you can clear them and put what you want. Here is to scale it up. This one now, this side that is shining blue, is to make it big. If you want to make it manual, then here is to reduce this thing. That is it for that. Then this curve here is to rotate. This here is to rotate your text. Then you can copy it. This is your delete. This to bring to front, back, and this is your position. And here I want to use it to scale it to. That's for that. And this is your relative position. This is for your alignment. I've aligned it to the middle now, to the bottom, to the top, to the right, and to the left. So that's how you want to do it. And this for your text size. If you want to do it, you can see it is gradually increasing. You can also decrease it. And this is your color. You can choose your color from here. Or if you don't see any color that you like here, click on this plus icon and you choose the color you want or the color you like. Click OK. So that is it. If you want to change it, you want to make this multiple colors, you come here on this we have here, you drag it here, drag this one here, give it orange color, drag this one here, drag this one here, drag this one here, give it a green. Can you see it? These are multiple colors. If you want to make your text multiple colors, so that's how you do it. Then here is for your texture. If you want to add something to this, but I'll come back to that. This is your opacity. If you want to reduce it, the flow. So that is for that. Then this is your rotation. Rotate it minus 37 degrees. This plus 98 degrees. And I want to rotate it depending on what you are working on. And this is a max. So this is a broad this, and I'll be coming back to this in my next tutorial. So this is your font. If you want to change your font, this these are the fonts that comes with the app. These are the font. Any font you want to use at all. Any font at all you want to use. Can you see it has changed it? Then you can give it a curve. Can you see it? And this style, if you want to make it bold, if you want to underline it, can you see it? It is now underlined. So anyhow you want to do it, just play around it. And it's your background. So give this a background. Let's give it a black background. And here is your left padding to increase the left side and the right side, the top and the bottom. Then the radius to curve it at the edges so it will need to be sharp. So that's it. So is the alignment. You have left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. We have justify too. So just depending on your project. And we have spacing to space your words, to space them anyhow you want it. And this is your line spacing. Maybe we have two words. See the spacing. Can you see it? To space your lines. Then this is your stroke. Let me remove the background. This is to add stroke to your text. Give it below any stroke at all that suits the design. You can reduce the stroke here. You can still increase it. Can you see that? Sorry. So let's continue. Let me remove the stroke. Then your shadow. If you want to add the shadow, so the text won't be just plain, you can add the shadow. Just play around this to your text. Then your inner shadow. You can also add the inner shadow. Make it awesome. You can increase it. You can reduce it. Then this, if you want to see your works, let me copy this. Copy. If you want to see all this now, maybe you want to change this, you just click on this icon here, this layer icon. So bring out all this thing. You can hide. See, you can hide them. Then you view only this one. Then maybe you want to edit this. Click on it back. You bring it down. Have you seen it? You click there again. You can lock it. Once you lock it, you can't be able to move it. Can you see? It will stay there until you unlock it. So that's that. You can delete it from here. You can also edit it from here. Anyhow, if you want to still copy it, you can still copy it from here. You can send it to the front. That's it. It has moved to the front. You can send it to the back. It has moved to the back. You can rotate it from here. So that's that for that. So here is for your undo. This is your zoom button. You with your two finger you pinch on your screen to zoom in and out. Then once you zoom in, if you want to work on this now, you press on this zoom again here, so you can work on it like this. Can you see it? But if you leave it like this, you can't work on anything. So that's for that. And this one for your grid, so you know your margins where you want to stop, so your design will be neat. So you can use this. It's like a ruler. Use it to measure what you are doing, like that. In case this happen, just come to your relative position and centralize it. So that's it. Have you seen it? So that's all for that. Then here is for your, if you want to make it full screen, you want to see what you're working on. This is the full screen. You can also go back by clicking here. Then we have use image from gallery, use image from camera, export image, all those. I'll talk about that later. Then here is if you want to add your text, you can also use here. If you don't want to use here, you can also click on this plus and you see text. You can see current date. If you need the current date, you click it, the date will come out. Then if you need a sticker, let me show you what sticker I have. These are stickers that you can use for your designs. Then shape, if you need shape, you can change the color to blue. And you can see, you click here on this triangle, this thing here that is pointing down. Then you can see other shapes here. Can you see them? Then this is for the opacity. You can reduce them. Can reduce it all the way down. Then add your stroke. Increase it. Then give it a color. Then if you want to add it, this to blur. To blur it. So that's for that. So this is to import from gallery. That is, if you want to add an image from gallery. So that's how you do it. You just find one image and put. Just click on it and wait. This will come out. You check on good. So can you see it? I've imported this image here. You can scale it way up. This is a design I did. So this this is it. So you can also save your work with this icon here. I'm coming to that first. And this is your quote. Maybe you want to write a quote or anything, you can come here. You see many type of quotes. These are motivational quotes. We have success quotes. We have friendship quotes. There are thousands of them. Positive inspiration of them. Anyone you want to use, you can just click on it and it will come out like this. Then you can edit it. Go to your text. Change the font style. Any font you want to use. Any font you want to use at all. I'll come here and change the color. Anyhow you want to do it. Then after finishing your project, you can then save. Click on save. Click on save as image. Then you see this default. Click on it. Go to Ultra. Then save to gallery. It has been saved. If you want to save this project, maybe next time you want to come and re-edit it, just click on this save as project. You put the name you want to save it with. Anything you want to save it with. Then if you want to get that project now, you come here, go to my projects, then you can see it. These are the projects I've done. All of them are being saved. So that's that. So thank you for watching.